Anyone hauling sludge or septage in New Hampshire is required to have a current permit in accordance with NH RSA 485A4, A6, and NH Administrative Rules Env-Wq 800 and Env-Wq 1600. One permit is required for each tank used to manage the removal, transportation, and disposal of sludge or septage. This includes material removed from septic tanks, cesspools, holding tanks, septage lagoons, or other sewage treatment storage units, grease commingled with wastewater, portable toilet waste, marine sanitation waste, or sludge produced by a wastewater treatment process. Permits must be obtained prior to transporting sludge or septage in New Hampshire, and these permits must be renewed every 2 years. A permit application form may be obtained from New Hampshire DES by downloading a copy from the New Hampshire DES website here. As you scroll to the bottom of the page, click on the Sludge and Septage Haulers tab. Then click on the Haulers Apply or Renew button, which will bring you to the State of New Hampshire's Septage and Sludge Hauler application page. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press the Download Mail-in Form button. Pressing the Download Mail-in Form button will bring up the application form in Word format. You can press the Escape button on your keyboard to make the form appear full screen. To begin filling out the form, enter the applicant contact information in Section 1 of the form, beginning with the applicant's name, then the mailing address, daytime phone number, cell phone number, and email address. In Section 2, add your business information. If you're not applying as a business, skip to Section 3. For your business information, include the business name, a contact name, the business mailing address, and phone and email contact information. In Section 3, enter the company trade name, including the business name, the town or city in which the business is located, and the contact information for the business. In Section 4, please enter the emergency contact information for the business, which can be used by DES to contact the company in the event of a spill or other emergency. Section 5 will point you to one of the attachments at the end of the application form, depending on if the application is for sludge vehicle or for a septage vehicle or container. Applicants wishing to permit a sludge vehicle will fill out the blue attachment. Applicants wishing to permit a septage container or vehicle will fill out the green attachments. The blue Attachment 1 for sludge hauler applicants includes the fee schedule of $100 for a new sludge vehicle, $100 for a sludge permit renewal, $0 for a transfer of permit, or $0 for a vehicle or tank owned by a municipality. Please select 1 by checking off the appropriate checkbox. To the right of the fee schedule are fields in which to enter the information for the respective sludge vehicle, including the current permit number, if a renewal, the make, model, and year of the vehicle identification number, also known as VIN, the motor vehicle plate number, and state of issuance. The green Attachment 1 for septage hauler applicants includes the fee schedule of $105 for a new vehicle or tank, $5 for a replacement plate, $100 for a renewal, and no fee for either a permit transfer or if the vehicle or tank is municipally owned. Please select 1 by checking off the appropriate checkbox. To the right of the fee schedule are fields in which to enter the information for the respective septage vehicle or tank, including current hauler permit number, if a renewal, the make, model, and year of the vehicle identification number, also known as VIN, the motor vehicle plate number, and state of issuance. The volume of the tank in gallons, and if a renewal, the tank ID number, and the place and date of the most recent inspection. There are separate boxes for each vehicle tank being permitted. Section 6 of the application form will direct septage haulers to the green Attachment 2, required for septage hauler applications. Attachment 2 documents the facilities where septage will be discharged. In the box titled Septage Disposal Certification and Method, enter the information associated with the facilities which will be utilized for septage discharge, including the hauler name, the disposal facility name, disposal facility address, the business phone number, and the business email. The next box below is titled WWTF Signature and is for an official of the wastewater treatment facility to sign off on confirmation that the facility agrees to accept septage there. There is a field for the individual's name, signature, and date of signature. All facilities which will utilize for septage discharge need to complete a confirmation on attachment 2. There are places for up to 3 facility confirmations on each attachment 2 sheet. You may include additional copies of the attachment 2 sheet if needed to ensure that all facilities which will be utilized for discharge are included. In Section 7, applicants detail their request items and calculate the associated fee total. The current fee schedule is new septage vehicle tank, $105 each, new sludge vehicle container, $100 each, sludge or septage permit renewal, $100 each, replacement septic plate, $5 each, permit transfers, no fee, New Hampshire municipality transporting self-generated material, no fee. In Section 8, the applicant certifies a number of required pieces of information, specifically, the information provided on or with this application is true, complete, and not misleading to the best of my knowledge and belief. The submission of false, incomplete, or misleading information is grounds for denying the application or revoking any roster listing that is made based on false, incomplete, or misleading information. And I am subject to the penalties specified in New Hampshire law, currently RSA 641-3, for making unsworn false statements. I shall assume complete responsibility for ensuring that all persons transporting septage or sludge, the vehicles listed on this application, are familiar with the requirements of the rules Env-Wq 800 and or Env-Wq 1600. All vehicles proposed to be used to transport sludge and or septage will meet all applicable federal and state motor vehicle requirements. I have not been convicted of a misdemeanor under any statute administered by the department within the 5 years prior to the date of application, or a felony in any state or federal court during the 10 years prior to the date of application. The applicant confirms each statement by checking the associated checkbox, then printing, typing their name below, and signing and dating the fields provided. Congratulations! You've now completed the New Hampshire Sludge and Septage Hauler application form. The completed form should be sent to the New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services via email sludgeandseptage@des.nh.gov or via standard mail to New Hampshire DES Wastewater Engineering Bureau, attention the Residuals Management Section at P.O. Box 95, Concord, New Hampshire 03302-0095. If you have any questions, please contact the New Hampshire Residuals Management Section at 603-271-2818.